Good morning. It's day 5 on Isle Royale, our last full day on the island. Tomorrow morning we'll catch the ferry at 9 o'clock to go back to the mainland and come home. But what a great place to wake up to. Rained last night, clouds today, and could rain, but we've been very fortunate, so don't know. We'll see. Take it each day as it comes and each hour as it comes. But it's a great place. Tree lines and all of the vegetation, the ferns higher than your head, and then you step up here on these ridges, and so different. Now we're descending down into the ferns again. Really glad that I chose to do this trail, to do the Manong. It's according to everyone, it's a more challenging trail. I guess there are sections, and you do have the rocks, and I'm sure the Greenstone Trail has its own beauties, but I think I would have missed it if I had not done this one. Here we are back in the ferns. My hiking buddies up there. Raining. Get up there. Should be able to look back and see Lake Desor where we stayed last night. Lake Desor. We've officially become, instead of hiking, backpacking because it's raining. Yeah. I said these ferns were head high. They are. Gotta get this going up through all this stuff. Yeah, very pretty. Thought you might like to see me out here. Well, we're making a final descent. Almost there. Well, hey y'all, I'm here in my tent for the last night here on Isle Royale. What an amazing trip. Great people again, and really enjoyed talking to a lot of folks and seeing just the beauties here. Didn't see a moose, but hey, that's okay. I'm all right with that. Saw so many other things, and glad that I could share some of them with you. Wish I could bring you the smells and the feels of these hikes. The spruce trees were just amazing. Even today, when we're walking the last 4 miles here, and it was raining and it was so cold. It's invigorating, and I wouldn't trade any of it. You can see him. There's an otter right there, just sort of lazing around out there. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, Dan, you missed the moose this morning.
I missed the moose.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did
there
not
was
see
one
him.
last night, and I went to. I didn't know where your tent site was, otherwise I was going to run and grab you.
Yeah, last night?
Last night,
Oh,
came
man.
lumbering right past my shelter door.
Here I am with the Ranger 3 behind me. We'll be boarding her and going back over to mainland, finishing this trip. It has been great. Still no moose. Thought maybe I'd see one on the way here, but I did see an otter and a beaver that was swimming around in the waters here, so that was fun. Fitting to see on this final day here at Isle Royale. It has been a wonderful trip. Hope you enjoyed it. I know I have. Well, on to Wyoming for episode 8 of Trails Less Traveled as we hike the Wind River Range. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, stay on the path. God bless you. Here we are leaving Windigo Harbor, heading back to the mainland. Still just as beautiful as ever.